MissMalini.com.
The outfit has been inspired by Royal India. In fact, the work and everything which we have done has been taken up by old India embroideries and stuff. And I gave her color red because color red I think looks stunning on her.
Actually, it was really beautiful today because I think the stage was also set very beautifully, and that phool ki chadar was so delicate and so beautiful. And I was looking at Preeti's clothes. I think to be inspired by Royal India is, I guess, in India a very I don't know. I think it's a very wonderful thing because there is so much beauty in that whole. In that whole context, the beautiful textiles, the beautiful work, the beautiful costumes, and it's really nice to look within in your country and to have stuff from here. Before we started, we only look out, we tend to only look out. I think we should look within and find all the richness that there is in our country, which is why I love doing like a lot of Indian stuff.
Yeah.
I think, I like traditional, I really like traditional Indian outfits. I think whether it's a sharara or a lehenga or a gharara or a sari or even an anarkali, they're so beautiful and they're so perfect in themselves that I wouldn't necessarily need any modern twist to it. But yeah, there are a lot of people experimenting with these silhouettes as well, and they're doing a great job of it. But I think I would pick really beautiful heirloom style traditional outfit and heirloom jewelry for sure. A perfect wedding, I think for me it would be possibly a heritage site with very close people and a lot of dancing and a lot of madness. But I think the actual ceremony, I like it when it maintains its sanctity and when it's sacred and when there are just very, very few people and not like the entire world. Because that makes it close and really close people are there, and I think it's a special day, so you want special people. At the moment, I'm doing a really fun film called The Legend of Michael Mishra. It's a film by Manish Jha, who's a very celebrated filmmaker abroad and has made a couple of films here. I'm really looking forward to it because the team that's working on it, there's Baman Sir, Baman Irani, there's Mushat Varsi, there's Kayose, and there's me. And I think it's going to be a fun film. Manish has an incredible mind, and I'm looking forward to a fun time shooting because I think there's so many fun people on set. And yeah, it's actually set in it's set in Patna. And after Ye Sali Zindagi, I'm doing another sort of Desi film, and I've been looking forward to doing something like this. So.
South side now,